Hello everyone, I brought you the most delicious recipe for saffron chicken kebab. The ingredients are 3 slices chicken breast, 1 bell pepper, 2 onions, 1 tablespoon mayonnaise sauce, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 teaspoons salt, a quarter of teaspoon black pepper, a quarter of teaspoon red pepper, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 cup of melted saffron. First, we chop the chicken breast. The size of each piece should be 3 centimeters by 4 centimeters. The diameter of the chicken pieces should be half a centimeter. Other parts of the chicken such as the wings and shoulders can also be used to make saffron chicken kebab. Pour melted saffron on chicken slices. Pour salt, black pepper, red pepper, lemon juice, mayonnaise sauce, and olive oil on chicken slices. Mix them well. Dice onions and add to ingredients. Chop the bell pepper and add to ingredients. Mix them well till dip all parts of the chicken pieces into ingredients. Let them marinate for 24 hours.
24 hours later.
After 24 hours, thread the chicken onto skewers. No onion or pepper should stick to the chicken because it burns due to heat. When the charcoal is completely hot and burning, place the skewers on the brazier to cook over low heat. Turn the skewers upside down several times so that the kebabs are juicy and cooked. It's ready to eat. Enjoy your meal.